In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Canva design with a transparent background and cut it in Cricut Design Space. First, open Canva, log in, and create a new design. You can start with any size that fits your project, whether it's a square sticker layout or a custom dimension for decals. Once your blank canvas is ready, add your shapes, text, and graphics. Keep your layout clean and use clear, high-contrast colors so the final cut is easy to see on your mat. If you're layering elements, make sure everything looks exactly how you want it to cut. When your design is ready, select all the elements on your canvas. This ensures nothing gets left out. Now, head to the top right corner and click the Share button. In Canva, the download option lives inside Share, so that's where we'll go next. Click Download. Under File Type, choose either PNG or SVG. For Cricut, SVG is usually the best choice because it preserves clean, scalable lines and often keeps layers more intact, which makes cutting more accurate. If you prefer PNG, that works too, especially for simple, single-layer cuts. Either way, make sure you turn on transparent background. This is crucial. Without it, your design will export on a white box, and Cricut will read that background as part of the image. If you don't see the transparent option, note that it's available with Canva's Pro features. Once those settings are set, click Download and save the file to a location you can find easily. Next, open Cricut Design Space. Start a new project to get a blank canvas. Click Upload, then Upload Image, and select the file you just saved from Canva. When it appears in your uploads, add it to your canvas. If you exported an SVG, your design should arrive crisp and ready to scale. A PNG will come in as an image, which is fine for simple shapes and solid graphics. Resize the design to the exact dimensions you need right on the canvas. Double-check your sizing now so the cut matches your project materials. When it looks good, click Make It. Review the map preview to confirm everything is positioned properly and there are no unexpected backgrounds or stray elements. If everything checks out, proceed to start cutting with your machine. That's it. You've gone from a Canva design to a clean, transparent export and into Cricut Design Space, ready to cut. If you follow these steps each time, you'll get consistent, precise results for stickers, decals, labels, and more.